Hey guys, we are back in the garage at the rental at the house we are staying at, and I'm gonna do the garage door opener. And this is what it's called when we come in the light. Overhead door. It's an overhead door. We're gonna open it. We're gonna find out what button opens the door. And there's an overhead door. Never heard this name before. Let me back up a little bit. Not too much. Now let's open it. And it's called an overhead door. Now closing. Now that was the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the garage door opener at our house we were staying out. Bye.